Whenever we go through pain, the first thing that we look for is a local application of heat for relief. And there is no other way than doing it using a hot water bag. India's most trusted brand, EASYCARE, brings a hot water bag that is used to relax your muscles by giving them the required heat. This hot water bag is made of high-quality natural rubber that is odorless and non-toxic.
This hot water bag comes in other shapes and sizes.
It is explosion-proof that ensures maximum safety and durability.
This product comes with a soft fleece cover that gives a warm and cozy feeling.
This bag's wide mouth makes it easy to fill water. Also, it is strong and leak-free with a capacity of 2 liters. All you need to do is fill 2/3 of hot water to the bag and apply it to the area where you are having the pain. Now feel the results in a few minutes. Say goodbye to the pain in just few minutes with EASYCARE's hot water bag.